How to fix disk unknown, not initialized error in Windows. Fix 1. Check the physical connection. Before exploring software solutions, ensure that the hardware is properly connected. A drive that isn't properly connected can cause recognition issues in Windows. Cleaning the disk will delete all its contents but can resolve issues caused by corrupt partitions. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. A corrupted master boot record can prevent drive recognition. Rebuilding it can help follow these steps. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.